Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great and in good health. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we're all about learning new skills, staying motivated, and growing in life. Whether you're looking to improve yourself personally or professionally, you're in the right place. So let's learn, grow, and achieve success together. Our today's class topic is for students in Pakistan. Stop wasting time, learn the skills. So let's start without wasting our time. एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ, अगर आज आपके पास सिर्फ 24 घंटे बचाए हों, तो क्या आप उन्हें वैसे ही गुजारेंगे जैसे कल गुजारा था? Students of Pakistan, look around you. Hours vanish into TikTok scrolls, WhatsApp forwards, and TV dramas while the world races ahead. Pakistan's youth unemployment rate is over 20%, yet millions of jobs remain unfilled because graduates lack skills. Degrees alone won't feed you, skills will. Every minute wasted is a step away from your dreams. Jim Rohn said, "Time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time." Imagine time as a seed, planted in Netflix and reap regret, planted in learning Python, graphic design, or AI, and harvest opportunity. Our culture teaches waqt ki qadar karo, heed this wisdom. In Karachi, a 19-year-old freelancer earns $1,000 per month designing websites. In Lahore, a coder from a humble background now works for Silicon Valley. These stories aren't luck, their skill meets grind. As Les Brown urges, shoot for the moon, even if you miss, you'll land among the stars. Mediocrity is not your destiny. 1. Jim Rohn. Don't wish it were easier, wish you were better. 2. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. With faith, discipline, and selfless devotion, there is nothing worthwhile you cannot achieve. 3. Tony Robbins. The only limit to your impact is your imagination and commitment. 1. Audit your time, track your day. Replace 2 hours of social media with learning and practicing. 2. Set skill goals. Learn skills according to your interest. For example, blogging, website development, working on YouTube, graphic designing, crypto trading, UI UX designing, digital marketing and English fluency, etc. 3. Time blocking. Dedicate after offering Fajr prayer, 1 hour to skill building, the golden hour of focus. 4. Eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications. Use apps like Forest to stay focused. No laptop. Use smartphone apps. No money. Free certificates from Google and Microsoft. Remember the boy from Gilgit who learned coding at a cafe, now runs a tech startup. Koshish karne walon ki haar nahi hoti. You are the architects of this nation's destiny. Every skill you master lifts not just you, but Pakistan. As Imran Khan said, the only way to succeed is to have courage and perseverance. Today, ask yourself, will I be a spectator or a creator? Stand up, open your laptop, enroll in a course, and code your first line. Abhi nahi to kab? Your time is now. Shun the distractions, embrace the grind, and let's build a Pakistan where skill reigns supreme. Chalo, अपने हाथ में कलम लो और अपनी तकदीर लिखो. पाकिस्तान की तारीख तुम्हारे हाथों में है. इसे मेहनत, skills और जाज़बे से लिखो. Don't forget to join us on WhatsApp community, link is in the description. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.